Are you tired of chasing the elusive perfect thumbnail? Well, guess what? There's no such thing. But don't worry, I'm about to reveal the secrets to crafting a thumbnail that practically compels viewers to click. Stay tuned. A YouTube thumbnail is like your video's first impression. Its job is to make people click and watch. We measure how good it is with something called click-through rate or CTR. CTR is a percentage that shows how many people clicked your thumbnail when they saw it next to other videos. Why is CTR important? Well, if your thumbnail has a high CTR, it means lots of people found it interesting and clicked on it. YouTube likes this and promotes such videos with more impressions because it means viewers are happy. High CTR also leads to more views, which can make your channel more popular. So a good thumbnail is like a door to your video, and CTR shows how many people walked through that door. In simpler terms, a good thumbnail gets people to click your video. CTR tells you how well it's doing that. High CTR is great for your video and channel, so aim for eye-catching thumbnails that make people want to click. Click-through rate is crucial for thumbnail evaluation, but it's not the whole story. YouTube's algorithms impact CTR. Initially, your subscribers see your video, resulting in a higher CTR due to their familiarity with your channel. However, when YouTube promotes it to a broader audience, CTR may drop as it reaches less targeted viewers. Yet, low CTR doesn't mean failure. Consider other metrics like total views, watch time, and audience retention for a comprehensive view. These metrics reveal your video's ability to engage a wider audience. The effectiveness of a thumbnail isn't just about how it looks, but also how easily people can understand what it represents. It should quickly convey the video's topic without being too complex. Complicated designs can confuse viewers, so simplicity is important. Thumbnails should be clear because small details might not be visible on small screens. They need to instantly communicate the video's message to encourage viewers to click. To grab people's attention with your thumbnails, use colors that stand out from each other, like black and white or red and blue. These contrasting colors make your thumbnail pop. Don't go overboard and use colors that don't make sense, like a bright green sky or a purple grass. Keep it real and use colors that fit the scene. When your thumbnail has striking but believable colors, it's more likely to catch people's eyes and get them to click on your video. So remember, contrast is good, but keep it realistic for the best results. When you put in text on your thumbnails, don't overdo it. Use it like a sprinkle of seasoning on a dish, just enough to add flavor. The text job is to help viewers understand what your video is about or tease them with a hint of the story. It's not meant to repeat the title. That's like saying the same thing twice. Photoshop is often seen as the top choice for crafting thumbnails, but there are also free and affordable options. While Photoshop is robust and versatile, it comes with a price tag that may not suit everyone. Fortunately, several alternative graphic design programs, both free and low cost, can help create effective thumbnails. These alternatives offer essential features for thumbnail creation, such as image editing, text overlays, and graphic design tools. Exploring these options can save money without sacrificing the ability to produce eye-catching thumbnails, making it accessible to a broader range of creators with varying budgets and needs. Twitter is a handy place to connect with other YouTubers and discover talented designers for your thumbnails. It's like a virtual meeting spot where people in the YouTube world hang out. You can follow and chat with fellow creators, share your work, and even find designers who specialize in making eye-catching thumbnails. So if you're looking to level up your thumbnails and build connections with people who can help, give Twitter a try. It's a simple way to expand your YouTube network and find the right folks to make your videos look awesome. It's time to put all this valuable knowledge into action. Thank you for sticking around till the end. I hope you gained some valuable insights. Before you go, be sure to give that like button a friendly tap and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to join us on this learning journey. Until next time.